Hey, good morning, everybody. Welcome to another Daily Market Report brought to you by Mike Bjork. Today is Monday, January 6th. Hope you guys had a great, wonderful weekend. We have a beautiful weather here in Southern California. Uh, Something to note, hopefully you guys are also getting ready for the new week, first Monday of the new year. So we just got two economic news releases scheduled for today, and the first one here is an impactful one. It's the ISM non-manufacturing, or also known as ISM services, for the month of December. So back in November, we had a 53.9% growth, which anything above 50% is expansion or growth, and anything below 50 it tends to go on a contraction or kind of starts dropping. And the forecast for the month of December was supposed to go upwards to 55, and it came in lower. So it's the first time since 2009 that we've seen the services sector drop a little bit. Now, we on the other spectrum, we got the factory orders for the month of November, and we had a negative for the month of October at 0.9%. But the forecast for November was supposed to increase to 1.6, and we exceeded that forecast. So a mixed bag of news today on this. Now, if you looked at the ISM when we did the manufacturing, actually it was one of the biggest jumps we've had in a while. So what that tells us is that manufacturing had towards the end of the year a better run on than of course on the services side of things. So we'll kind of have to watch, see how these play out. We'll jump over the headline news, see what the stock market is doing right now, and right now it is down. So investors are a little concerned. Sorry about that. It's running a little slow here. So the stock market is down today. It's a little concerned. There's a couple, of course, stocks that are kind of affecting the markets as well, but they're a little concerned about the services, the drop in there, and so they're going erring to the caution side of things, especially when we've seen last week where we had decent manufacturing numbers. Europe even had some okay numbers on their PMIs, but China, of course, slowed down a little bit, and there's obviously probably weighing in the back of their minds regard to China. Later today, also, we'll have the Senate's going to vote on Janet Yellen's confirmation to become the Fed head, which is supposed to take place this month, where she'll take over from Ben Bernanke as the head of the Fed. And the Senate has their vote later today. We'll jump over to the bond market, see what the interest rates are doing. So as a result of we had a nice spike upwards. Not really a gap because we had, if you see that wick from Friday's numbers, we didn't really have a gap. So it's still on a good level here. We're advancing as indicated primarily because the stock market went from upwards to downwards, and a lot of that money is just going into the bond market, which is helping out interest rates today. So we have an improvement today on the pricing for interest rates. So if you look at from where we left off on Friday, which was 99.38, and we're at 99.72, we're currently up about 24 basis points. Oh, no, I'm sorry, 34 basis points, which is nice. It's a little more, almost between a quarter and a half, obviously about 34 basis points in prices. So almost between a quarter and a half or a third of a point in improvement in the interest rates. All right, folks, thanks for watching. I hope you guys have a great day, and let's see if this continues, see if we can get this trend reverse and going upwards versus downwards. Later in the week, we do got some important news that could be very impactful, as we got the job news coming out later this week. So stay alert for Friday with the Bureau of Labor statistics releasing. And then also we got the ADP, which can affect things as well earlier in the week. All right, folks, have a great day, and we'll see you guys tomorrow.